Google lets you link a bank account to your Google Pay wallet that you can use to transfer funds out of your Google Pay balance or of your Google Pay wallet. However, there are some conditions that need to be met for you to be able to transfer money from your Google Pay balance to your bank account. And these steps I will be showing you right after the intro. To transfer money from your Google Pay balance to your bank account, you need to be a US resident. For sure, you can add PayPal to your Google Pay wallet from Germany as well, but this option is exclusive only for US residents. So you need to make sure that you're a US resident for you to follow these steps. Once you're in your Google Pay wallet, go to the payment method. Okay, from there you want to click money in your Google Pay or Google Pay balance, and then the feature that you'll be looking out for is transfer out. So if you see this transfer out feature, you just want to click through it. Then you enter the amount you want to transfer out and select the bank account that you want to transfer money to. For sure, I already showed you how to link a bank account to your Google Pay wallet. The link is in the video description, so you do want to check that out. After adding your bank account to your Google wallet, you should be able to see that bank account, and then once you see the bank account, you select it as the preferred payment method. Then you click on transfer out. Okay, this is going to take 1 to 5 business days, so you need to be patient when using this transfer out feature. Don't forget that this feature is exclusive only for US residents, so if you are not in the US, this probably won't work out for you, and this is probably the only way that you can use to transfer money from Google Pay to your external bank account. So if you did find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss my upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.